Samuel Morse, American inventor and painter who invented the telegraph and the Morse code between 1842 and 1848. This is Samuel Morse. He's the one who proclaimed himself to be
the big shot to build the telegraph communication service, and I will never eat all of Pisa.
But Morse has been too many caused troubles by the Morse code zone.
What is that blazer doors on the door?
My name is Toast, and Toast is the name after me. And do you like pizza with pepperoni?
I don't like pizza with pepperoni, let me read.
Do you like it at the hallway standing on the doorway?
I don't like it in the hallway standing on the doorway. I don't like pizza with pepperoni, let me read. What did you put toast paper to me in my bedroom?
When you could use, you can eat some with your movie fan.
Hi, I'm Pepper Mills. Can I have your autograph, please? Oh, please?
I would not give up my hand out with the fan though. Standing on the door. I don't like pizza with pepperoni, let me read.
How about this motorcycle of the Harley? Get it at the party.
Not the motorcycle, no man, at the party you attend, not the fan, out the door. I don't like pizza with pepperoni, let me read.
Try some, and start eating some pizza with pepperoni for me.
If I will try them, now go away, and let me be.
Yep.
That sounded like munching and crunching and chewing, swallowing. And Samuel Morse is about to drink his water. In fact, pizza is not the poison. Not a poison at all. In the Morse code zone.